Hi, my name is Claudia Piccolo. I'm a dentist here in Chicago, and I'm here just letting you know how happy I am with this product. This is the one that I recommend to my patients every single day. I introduce it to my practice, to my patients, after a hygiene appointment, after surgery. A lot of patients ask me if I can recommend or prescribe a product that is gluten-free and natural, that it will not interfere with medications or any illnesses. And this is the product that I use. I've been using it for many, many years. So it's non-staining. Before I used to prescribe Peridex, and the teeth, they were really, really stained. So I also use it myself, and I really highly recommend it. Thank you.